In this quick video, we're going to look at using chat to engage students when running a Google Meet. Chat is an easy way to increase participation, give every student voice, and check for understanding, all without stopping your lesson. Before we get started, be sure to set up expectations for your students if you are using chat. Here are some quick reminders you can give students. Remind them that Google Meet is recorded, which includes the chat. Keep messages school appropriate, stay on topic. Use the chat only for class questions or answers, and don't spam emojis or messages. Once you're inside Google Meet, look at the bottom right corner for the chat icon. It looks like a little speech bubble. Go ahead and click or tap it. This opens the chat panel on the right side of your screen. You can turn chat on and off up here by toggling this switch. Don't worry about this continuous chat. That is a feature to continue the chat with Google Chat, which our students don't have access to, so we can just ignore this. You can type a message down here at the bottom, and remember, if you add something to the chat before all your students are in, they will not see that message unless you pin the message. Just hover over the message and a pin icon will pop up. Click that to pin the message. This is how students can open chat on the Google Meet app. Feel free to show this part of the video to your students. Find the three dots at the bottom of your screen. Be sure to tap your screen once to wake the screen up so the menu appears. Once you tap on the three dots, choose In Call Messages. Now you can add a message. Once your teacher adds a question, you can answer the question in the chat box. That's it. Remember, three dots, In Chat Messages, Send Message. Students, be sure to only use the chat when your teacher asks you to. Teachers, when you're ready to begin direct instruction, you can simply turn chat off up here at the top. Chat is a simple engagement tool you can use. You can use this as a quick warm-up question for students as they join the meet, have students type responses instead of answering out loud, run short reflection prompts, let students vote or share ideas, or check for understanding with quick drop one fact or emoji check-ins. Because chat is low pressure and fast, it's great for students who might be shy, still waking up, or working in a noisy environment. As the teacher, you have a few extra controls that help keep things productive. You can turn chat on and off for students at any point. You can send links, directions, or resources that students can open immediately. You can also pin important messages so students don't lose them. This keeps communication clear and organized while you're teaching. When the meet ends, the teacher receives the recording and the chat transcript. The chat transcript will have timestamps and the names attached to the chat. This will be emailed to you so you can refer back to it. Google Meet Chat is a simple tool, but it can dramatically increase engagement when you use it with purpose. Be sure to check out some of our other Google Meet videos in our Google Meet playlist, and of course, thanks for watching.